Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how to use one name on Facebook. How to set one name on Facebook. So guys, stick with me. Let us go to my Facebook application. Alright, so make sure you have your official Facebook application. Alright, so what you go to do now is to tap on your Facebook application. Then you got to tap on these three lines from here. Alright, so when you tap on the three lines, actually this can be done on Android because I actually used my iPhone. I was unable to do it. Alright, so when you get to the settings and privacy at the bottom of your menu, then click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. So here you're gonna see account center. Sometimes you find it at the top, sometimes you find it at the bottom. Alright, so now that we have found it at the top, let's click on account center. So it will take you here that you're gonna see profiles, so click on profiles. So here is your profile, click on your profile, and here you can see that you have your name. Alright, so click on name. So if you get to the name section, you can remove the last name. When you remove the last name, you can put the name you want to put in the first place. Alright, so when you get to the last part, you just give a space. Alright, so when you give a space, you tap on review changes. Okay, there's actually a notification at the top. You can see it says first or last names on Facebook can't be too short. Learn more about our name policy. Okay, but this should not be a reason for you to think that it's not gonna work. It is gonna work. All right, this video is a solution. All right, so when you see that this has happened, just minimize out of your Facebook and then open up your Play Store. So open up your Play Store, search for this VPN LAT. Okay, search for it. So here we have it installed. So if you don't have yours installed, click on the install button. Alright, so when you install it, you click on open. So when you get here, tap on accept. So if you tap on accept, you wait some seconds, and what you're gonna do next is to scroll. You can see a lot of countries from here, but keep scrolling down. So here you're gonna find Indonesia. Click on Indonesia, and then here you have Indonesia. Just go ahead and click on the first country option. So I have Jakarta, click on it, and then here you have to tap on connect, then tap on OK. So now we have connected to the VPN. So now you go to minimize from the VPN and come back to your Facebook. So here, like I said, you're gonna put the name you wish to use on Facebook at the first name part, and then here you're gonna give a space. In the last name, you make sure you give a space. So when you give a space, you tap on review change. So guys, finally we have a preview your name section, and then now you got to tap on save changes. So guys, our name has been updated successfully. Now let's go back to the Facebook account. I just changed the name, and then let's just go up, and then here you can see, let's go to the account and then refresh the account. So finally you can see that we are now using a single name on Facebook. So if this video was useful, you can drop that in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and please don't forget to share. Bye bye.